Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to study about subtraction command in Mitsubishi PLC. How we can use the subtraction command in Mitsubishi PLC with the help of GXWorks 2S software. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. I will open my GXWorks 2 software. And here we will create a new project. Which PLC you have, you can choose it from here. This all models are available, and after you can choose this PLC, and after here ladder language or SFC which you want to choose this, and also here you can special simple project or structured project, whatever you want, and here you can click it OK. After your program will be successfully created and window will be appear, and here we can take a first bit. For example, we will take x0 to make the increment at any counter which we will use for subtraction command. I will choose the C0 for example, and value I will give the K0 and make it enter. And sorry, this K0 value is can't use because 0 value, how can 10 value minimum we have to be choose. And in next row we will choose the x1 for second counter, C1 or 2 any you can choose, and value we will take that K10 and click it enter. That K10 means this is the internal system of the software. If you like to write any value in data register or any counter or register, you have to be write first be K first. After you have to be write the value. If you like to put the 20 value, you have to be write the K20. If you write the 2 value, 3 value, whatever, how much value you like to write, you have to be write first K. After this value will be accepted. And in next row we will take the x2, for example open contact, and we will take the RST C0 and click enter. And here we will take one row for second counter reset, C1 or ST right after C1, because when our value will be increased to that K10, after we have to be make the reset. This is depends on you. Auto also you can make, here compare command use, after this will be auto make it reset. This in previous lectures already I explained about how we can in auto function make the reset. And here next we will take the move command. First I will take any x3, for example close contact. This is sorry open contact, here you can choose the close contact. And here we will use the move command, MOV. When you write, after you will get your move command. And next we will write the C0 into D0 for the value in data register. And here one row we will take, and here also our second data register C1 we will use the move command, and data register C1 and any data register you can choose, D1 or D2 or D3, which is your choice. You can choose this one, D1. And now we will use our this value when moved into the data registers. After when we will give the countings to here at the C0 or C1, and after they will be count this value how much 10 or 20, which we will make it set point, it goes up to the 10, and 10 value will be transferred in our this data register. And data register Now here we will use the subtraction command. Just you will when write the subtraction command, and here we will make that d0 value we will write like to uh, subtract from the C1. Next D1, and which data register you like to take the answer, you can write it. For example, D5 I will choose, and this make, and here you have to be must choose any input address X5 for example choose, and must be this is the close contact, because of not use the close contact after your command will be not work. And now this almost complete. We will make the compile, and we will use our simulation. If you have physical PLC you can use, and also if you like to only just practice you can stop simulation can use, and after you can check your program. So now simply we will give the some value at the counter. For example x0, first I give the value. For example, see now our value is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How much you give? After this will be uh, moves directly, but when we like to make the subtract, after you have to be give some value at the C1 counter. See for example, when I give the 1 value, this 6 minus 1 answer is 5. Again 1 I will give the signal. Now 2, when you give the value, for example this is your 6, this value coming at the from counter or analog or whatever, yani which value you are using in the program. Here you have some sensor for example, or any whatever, yani from where your value coming. After this d0 value subtract from the d1 and answer gives to the d5. See next I give one more signal d1, and see now this 3 6 minus 3 after result is 3, and again I will, if you give the signal, this is the 4 signal, this is the answer is 2. But when I giving the continue, after this will be value goes to the minus condition. You can see after 0, and after this will be go in the 0. Now minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. But if you give the value at x0 again, and you can 6 7 8 9 9 minus 9 0, and now 10 minus 9 is 1, 11 it will be not go, because of this hour we will decide here only counter use the 10 value, 10 after goes to be reset. So we will go to the x2 and we will make the reset, and all program will be goes to the in reset condition. And after again we will give the signal at the x0. You can see this value continuously moved in the d5. 3 minus 0 3, 6 minus 0 6, and as we give the signal at x1, you can see this is the 8 minus 2 6, 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 5 is 3, 8 minus 6 is 2, 8 minus 7 is answer 1, and 8 minus 8 is answer is 0. And now if again I will give the more signal, after value goes to be minus. Basically this subtraction command is look like a calculator, means minus value it will be shows you in the continue which value is coming from counter or from your program. You can see the value continuously how much subtract from your data. This will be show on the continue in your program. And this you can data register if you like to show on the HMI display. Simply this data register take and write in the HMI. After you can see the value of your this D0 sorry D5 is shown on the HMI. Inshallah will be next lectures. I will show you how this data registers we will use in the HMI and we can see our real value at the HMI. And hope guys you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.